Hello everyone, welcome back again in my kitchen, and today we will be making this Filipino all-time favorite rice puto. This rice puto is very easy to make. We don't need a grinder because we will be using rice flour. So, if you want to learn how I make it, just keep on watching. Okay, let's start guys. We will be preparing one bowl of rice flour. For full measurements of all the ingredients guys, you can see in the description box below. And then salt, baking powder, and then our sugar. Just give it a nice mix. Then we will be adding our liquid ingredients. Now let's start by adding our fresh milk. Coconut milk. And then water. Of course, we will be mixing that until no lumps. Okay, now I divided my mixture into 4 parts because I'll be making different colors for my puto because I want my puto to be more colorful. So in one part, I put green color, the second one will be red color, and the third one will be blue color. This is all optional guys. If you want your puto plain, it's okay, so no need to worry. When adding food coloring to the mixture guys, just make sure to mix it well properly so all the food coloring will be combined to the mixture. Okay, so we'll be back after this. Okay, so as I said earlier, I want my second mixture to be red. So just put enough red food color to the second mixture, mix it well, just like what we did with the first one. And then do the same procedure to the third one, okay? Okay, while preparing all of the mixture, guys, just make sure that in your steamer you already boiled the water. So if you're going to finish this, we'll be preparing the molds and then ready to steam. And now we will be putting our mixture to our mold. Okay, I'll be using this rubberized mold. If you watch my previous video, you can see this is my favorite because this is all I've got. So whatever you have, cupcake molds or you want the mini muffin molds is fine. Don't fill the cup, guys, only 3/4. Okay. Now it's all ready. We will be steaming this for about 10 to 12 minutes. And after 10 to 12 minutes, guys, here you go. Your rice puto is ready. And then we will be doing the next batch because I don't have a big steamer. I'm just using a rice cooker steamer. If you have a big steamer, it's much better, guys. So you don't need to make it batch by batch. You can do all the same time all together. Okay, so we'll be back after steaming all our remaining mixture. And there you go, guys. After steaming all our mixture, here is our very colorful rice puto. Just give this a try, guys, and let me know how it comes out for you. Because this is very easy, no grinding, no blender needed. All you need is just rice flour and a few ingredients inside your kitchen, and you will have this very colorful rice puto. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell below for more upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you again on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.